morning, dear students. So, today for EVS, we will start with another chapter, and that is safety measures during disasters. Tikhanak menta ini pet ya kawai pat kelenong kabadai syapang safety measures during disaster. So, my dear children, we'll first see with earthquake. So, what is an earthquake? Lani uni earthquake, but hakano kurukom ujuja. An earthquake occurs due to the shifting of tectonic plates under the surface of the earth. Uni earthquake ubade ujumai, but ujuja de nakadao jonkini ki tectonic plates. Ki kita ki tectonic plates. Kini ki tectonic plates kide ki benta ki badon shapo jong ka khando. But lada kini ki yating lang ka penlong ban ki ujumai. But kumjuru habaki ujumai ka khando ka la bantua ki yeng ki semru ki la bantua. So now we will see with the safety guidelines during an earthquakes. Lani in pekatu kat ni kilat jingyada habaja uni earthquakes. Number 1, if you are indoors, take shelter under a heavy table or bench. Stay away from the doors and windows. Tik bening kong kalat jingyada ko ongba ladangi don inside the house lani hapo mo indoors hapo ying ngidei ban shim jingyada lani ban ri yaladi hakrum jong kani ka ben lani ka table. Stay away from the doors and windows. Ngidei ban yang shan jangai na kini ki jingkhang yet lani ki jingkhang ba. Number 2, if you are outdoors, stay away from buildings and electric wires and poles. Ti ladangi don pat de shabar ke yeng ngidei ban yang kam jangai na kini ki buildings lani na ki electric wires but kumju na ki poles electric. Next, floods. Floods occur when the level of water in a river increases due to very heavy rains, melting of glaciers due to overwarming or landslide. It destroys the crops, houses, animals, and roads, resulting in a huge loss of life and property. Timantangin pet ka flood. Flood kadeka jingshlei but ka juja nakadaw ka jingjur palat uslap lani kala banderu nakadaw ka jing no jong kini kita nakadaw ka jingkloit palat but kala ru bandei nakadaw jong ka jingtwa jong ka khandaw. Kani ka flood kala ru ban pendu ya ki jing thung jing tem kila ban pendu ya ki yeng ki sem kala ban penyam no ya ki merat bat kumju ka pendu ya ki surok. Kani ka jingdu jang kini kawan ra ya ka huge loss ka jingdu ka bakrau ya bayade bat ka jing im jong ki briu lani ka spa ka phau jong ka maryang lani ka spa ka phau jong ki briu. So now we'll see with the safety measures. The following are the measures to stay safe during floods. Timantangin pekatu kan ni kilat jingyada kabangi day ban bud habawan kan ni ka flood lani ka jingshlei Number 1, stay away from power line. Tikamot bang yang shenjangai na kini ki power line lani ki poles electric ki wires mo. Number 2, do not walk through flowing water. Wat num yai na kini ki jaka ki batut kanika Number 3, do not get scared but listen to the news so that you will know what is happening. Ngim day ban shep tieng henre ngi day ban ngap ya ka news but kumju khanang bangin tip ka ka baja. Now, landslides. Human settlement can be wiped out by a landslide, which is the mass movement of rocks and debris down a slope due to the effect of heat, rains, and cold. The rock develop cracks. Ti hang ni laong ba ka jakashong jakasa jong kibriu la ban pendu la ni penjulor no da kanika landslide kabade ka jingtua jong ki khandau. But kani la banja na kadao jong ka jing shit lani uslap lani ka jing dai tha. But kini ki ka jing pedang jong ka kendo ka penlong lani ka pendu penjulor ya ka jaka shong jaka sa jong kibriu. Landslide is also caused as a result of earthquakes, floods, and volcanoes. In the Himalayas, landslide often cause heavy damage of life and property. Ti kani ka jing tua jong ka khando kalaru bande na ujumai ka jing shlai but ka jing bathai jong ki volcano. Ti hapo Himalayas in the Himalayas ka jing cha jong kani ka jing tua jong ka khando ka wanra ka jing du ka ba crown na ka banta ka jing im jong ki brio but kumchu ka property ka spa ka phau jong ki brio but kumchu ka spa ka phau jong ka mariang. Now, safety measures. Number 1, stay alert and awake. Bangin long kiba pikir. Number 2, do not travel during landslide. Yim day ban let jing let ha ka por badon ka landslide lan ni ka jing twa jong ka kendo. Now, cyclone or tsunami. These are fast-moving, violent and destructive windstorms. Their force and speed cause heavy damage. A cyclone at sea brings huge volume of water from the sea to the coastal areas. The rushing seawater destroys everything that comes in its path. Cyclones are a great threat to the people living in coastal areas. Tie kani ka cyclone lani ka tsunami kade kata ka air yong lani ka la air lang thari. Kani ka wanra ka jingchulor ka bakraw. But kani ka cyclone ka ba ja hapo ki si lani ki duriaw. Ka wanra shibun kita ki yakini ki jaka ka penshle yakini ki jaka ki badon ki badai ka coastal area lani ki jaka ki badon markhab bat kani ka duriaw. But kani ka rushing water, sea water destroyed everything. Kini ka ka pashuan stat mo ka penjulol baro kat ki badon hakalenti ka jongka. But kani ka cyclone ka long ka great threat lani ki jingma ka bakraw bahaya ki briu ki ba ha ki tu ki coastal areas lani ki jaka ki ba markhab bat kani ka duriaw. Now, safety measures. Stay away from the seashore until you know it is all clear from the authorities concerned. Kabamut ba ngin shong kham chingai shwa na kini ki root hadu bangin da yo jingtip na ki bor penyat ki ba halor. So my dear children, we'll stop here for today class and remember to do the assignment. Number 1, fill in the blanks. Number 1, many regions of a country are prone to natural disasters. 2, cyclones are a great threat to the people living in coastal areas. 3, in the Himalayas, landslide often destroyed life and property. 4, stay away from power lines. 5, do not travel during landslide. 2. Write the following statement as true or false. Number 1. Tsunami is an Italian word. False. Number 2. Landslides occur due to mass movement of rocks and debris. True. Number 3. Earthquake occurs due to thunder. False. Number 4. Most natural calamities cannot be predicted. True. 5. The rushing seawater destroys everything that comes in its path. True. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What are the safety measures during flood? Answer the following are the measures to stay safe during flood. Number 1. Stay away from power line. 2. Do not walk through flowing water. 3. Do not get scared but listen to the news so that you will know what is happening. Question 2. What are the safety guidelines during an earthquake? Answer the following are the safety guidelines during an earthquake. Number 1. If you are outdoors, stay away from buildings and electric wires and poles. 2. Do not use other electrical machines. If you are indoors, take shelter under a heavy table or bench. Stay away from the doors and windows. 3. What are the safety measures during landslides? Answer. Safety measures. Number 1. Stay alert and awake. 2. Do not travel during landslide. 4. What are the safety measures during cyclone? Answer: safety measures. Number 1, stay away from the seashore until you know it is all clear from the authorities concerned. So my dear children, write this assignment in your exercise copy. Thank you and have a nice day.